Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. Number 1. The Tourism Enhancement Fund is leading the project to revitalize a stretch from Kent Avenue to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. The hip strip is one of the main tourist areas in the second city. The aim is to beautify the area and ensure safety for visitors and locals alike. This should also have a positive impact on the local economy, as the area will attract even more visitors. This isn't the first time I've shared this news with you, and in our last video on the area, I made note of a couple changes. However, I doubt those changes I noted are part of this project, especially since, according to this article, the final architectural designs are expected within 12 months of the contract award, so they haven't started as yet. Some of the improvements they plan on making are: instead of mundane asphalt, the streets will be adorned with cobblestones, accompanied by newly planted trees, creating a picturesque pathway for pedestrians. So the makeover is long overdue and I'm sure eagerly anticipated. Now the plan is a part of the Comprehensive Resort Upgrade Management Plan since 2009, and bids for the project are due by March 26. Number 2. Delta is celebrating 65 years of service to Montego Bay. For 6.5 decades, Delta has stood as a vital link between Montego Bay and the global stage, enabling countless explorers to uncover Jamaica's beautiful beaches and/or beautiful Jamaican culture. With 26 weekly flights from Atlanta, including 3 daily trips and additional service 5 times a week, Delta is the fastest growing airline connecting the US to Montego Bay, adding over 1,700 seats weekly. Number 3. The first agrivoltaic farm was recently launched in Jamaica. It blends crop cultivation with solar energy production, optimizing land use. The innovative approach is currently a growing global trend that exemplifies the use of renewable energy and innovation while keeping the environment in mind. Spearheaded by East West Power Korea, the JPS Foundation, and the College of Agriculture, Science and Education CASE, the project unfolds in 5 phases from now until February 2026. It not only promises to revitalize rural economies and promote eco-friendly energy practices, it also fosters technical expertise in renewable energy and climate-resilient agriculture, and is expected to create jobs, stimulate rural development, and diversify local agriculture. That's it for today. See you later this week or Sunday. I'm working on a few updates for you. In the meantime, check this video out.